Hi, I'm Rex Halverson, and I'm a California tax attorney, and today I'm trying to offer 6 tips for surviving a California sales and use tax audit. Tip number 1, have a game plan before the auditor calls. Understand that the auditor has time constraints and will appreciate all of your efforts in promoting a quick and easy audit. Strategize. Anticipate and prepare for potential issues and questions that the auditor may have. Pre-audit your business and identify those potential issues, but don't forget the skeletons in the closet. Consider alternative but workable responses and strategies to the auditor's proposed audit methodology. If you think you'll need professional assistance, call them in now without delay. Tip number 2, remember the golden rule when dealing with the auditor. Treat them as you would like to be treated, as a real person, and not an adversary. Also be prepared, kind, respectful, and professional. Tip number 3, control the audit from the get-go. Designate an audit coordinator and require the auditor to give all information and document requests to that coordinator. Provide workspace for the auditor, but away from your employees. Tip number 4, answer the auditor's questions, but say no more and no less. Give the auditor exactly what he or she requests, but do not volunteer any extra information or documents for the auditor to scrutinize. Do not invite suspicion. Instead, deliver verified facts confidently to the auditor. Tip number 5, it's far easier to keep a questioned item off the auditor's worksheets by providing a good explanation than it is to get it removed later. In other words, similar to a diet, it's easier to keep it off than get it off. Also, don't forget to request credits for any errors made by your company when filing the original returns. Finally, tip number 6, exhaust all of your administrative remedies timely. Make sure that you timely respond to all requests for documents and notices from the taxing authorities. Your appeal will depend on it. After the audit, request a complete set of the auditor's work papers. In California, you may appeal to the Board of Equalization once a notice of determination is issued. To do so, your petition must be filed within 30 days of the date on the notice of determination. Request an oral hearing with the appeals unit and a formal hearing before the 5-member board. If you do not prevail at either level, you can appeal to the Superior Court. Finally, don't forget to consider making a settlement offer or offer in compromise. This will not impact your petition for redetermination except to hold it in advance while the BOE considers accepting it. If the settlement offer or offer in compromise is rejected, your appeal remains intact. That's it. That's my 6 tips. Thanks.